Hello everybody, this is Vasya from New York. Today we are going to the Statue of Liberty. I apologize for my bad English, I'm only learning. I will tell to you how get there and where to get cheap tickets. I must say right away that I was with a teacher from my college and I may not know something, of course. I apologize again for my mistakes. We are going to the subway. I take the Q train in the Brooklyn and transfer at the DeKalb Avenue station to the R train towards Manhattan and get off at the third stop at Whitehall station. You will see. And go towards to the ocean and turn right. On the way, you will be overcome by sellers of excursions. Do not pay attention. We were with a teacher, so we did not take any guide, of course. You can find a restroom, of course, if you need it. And food, coffee, you will see that on the map. Departure from the pier, you will figure it out there. Ask the security guard or the box office. Cost $24.30. It is necessary to pass the check, as at the airport. Do not take anything dangerous that cannot be carried on board the aircraft. The ferry, or whatever you call it, has a toilet and a cafe, but I had a liter of hot, freshly brewed strong coffee with me. Basically, in my video you will see how to go there. All boats in the United States are called by female names. This is a tradition. Hurricanes, by the way, too. This tradition of naming hurricanes by female names dates back to the Second World War, when American military forecasters began to name swear words after their wives and mother-in-law. And since then, this tradition has taken root. The boat itself, we will call it that, considered of 3 floors. The first floor is closed with a small shop, cafe and toilets. It's closed windows, of course. The floor is open. The second floor with open windows and the third floor without a roof. There I sat. Swim for a short time. I did not notice. You won't get bored, really. And so the Statue of Liberty soon you will see. It's wonderful and great. It was built as a gift to the United States from France to the World Exhibition of 1876 year to mark the centenary of American independence. The opening took place on October 28, 1886 year. The state is quite large. When some call it small, I don't know why. The island itself is very small, really. You can't walk many hours only around statue. And you can't walk much, really, how I talking, unfortunately. The weather was overcast but warm. I was really excited, really. It's wonderful, it's really wonderful, Statue of Liberty. You just to look at that. Soon you will see Statue of Liberty. Just watch this video and listen the music. And I apologize for my level of English, because I write the text. I try to read it on English, of course. I read it again and read it and read it. And when I turn on microphone and when I turn on camera, I'm shy. I don't know how to say nothing. I don't know why I'm so shy. When I'm talking on Russian language, it's much easier to me, of course, because it's my native language. And American language, to talking on a camera, I'm shy and I don't know what to tell. I'm studying on college, on Kingsborough College. It's a college on Brooklyn, near Manhattan Beach, on Brooklyn, near station Sheepshead Bay. And it was excursion from our college, but from another group. I goes with another teacher, not with mine. Looks so many happy people so happy, people smile to take so many selfie, create videos. I runs with camera with my iPhone and running. Looks, it's island of Statue of Liberty. It's not big, but it's very beautiful. I like to be here. Its cost was not big for tickets, only $24.30. I think it's very cheap to New York City. I don't know how many you must pay for another guides, but it was excursion with our teacher. You will see. Looks so beautiful. Yeah, really. Now just watch to Statue of the Liberty with the music. I like it. It's wonderful. Really. Thank you for watching, subscribe to me, I will be very happy. This was Vasya from New York.